You are going to love the 2012 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trailer brake controller, tire pressure monitoring system, fog lamps, perimeter alarm, secure lock anti-theft ignition, PATS, driver side secure code keypad entry, dual note horn, rear window defroster, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, power door locks with auto lock feature, universal garage door opener. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.